Finding an important exploit can give you around $500,000 of reward. This guy used $25 of ChatGPT 5.6 and discovered a nasty vulnerability in WordPress. I'm going to cover this in this video.
A researcher says a frontier AI helped find a pre-authentication WordPress core remote code execution chain for about $25 of compute. The headline is wild, but the defender lesson is even bigger. AI is changing how fast deep vulnerability research can happen. Quick safety note: this is not an exploit tutorial. We will explain the chain conceptually, attribute the claims, and focus on what WordPress operators should verify right now. Exploit brokers can reportedly pay hundreds of thousands of dollars for high-impact WordPress core bugs. Searchlight Cyber says this one costs roughly $25 of a $200 AI subscription to discover and develop. Here is the timeline. WordPress released emergency fixes on July 17, 2026. Searchlight published the technical story on July 20th after holding the write-up so defenders had a chance to update. Wordfence lists the critical root confusion issue as CVE 2026-63030 and the SQL injection issue as CVE 2026-60137. The independent advisory context matters. Wordfence rates the REST API batch route confusion as critical CBSS 9.8, affecting WordPress 6.9 through 7.0.1. The SQL injection issue is rated high, affecting 6.8 through 7.0.1. At the highest level, the reported chain combines two bugs. One bug confuses which REST route handler receives a request inside the batch API. Another bug leaves a database query field insufficiently protected. Together, they turn anonymous web traffic into database control and then into a much more serious path. The first lesson is about trust boundaries. Batch APIs are tricky because they separate validation from execution. If the system validates one virtual request but later executes a different route with those values, assumptions throughout the code base can break. The second lesson is about small type assumptions. Searchlight describes a field that was safe when treated as an array of integers, but dangerous when a scalar value slipped through. That is the kind of bug that looks tiny in isolation and severe when another bug delivers attacker-controlled input into it. The RCE part is the most interesting and the most sensitive, so we will keep it conceptual. The reported exploit uses request, local post cache behavior, embed cache rows, the WordPress customizer, chain gset mechanism, post hierarchy cycle repair, and a dynamic hook to replay request handling with elevated authority. You create a variable by writing a name, an equal sign, and the value. Here, name stores the text Alice. First, we store Alice in name. Then we print name. Python looks up the box and prints whatever is inside. When you run the file, Python prints Alice, the value stored in the variable. Your challenge: change Alice to your name, then add a second variable called age with your age. Print both. Python Day 3. Strings are how Python handles text. Any message, name, or sentence is a string. A string is just text inside quotes. You can use single quotes or double quotes. Python handles both. Here we store Alice in a string variable called name and hello in greeting. Both work the same way. The plus sign joins strings together. You can combine any strings into one. When you run the file, Python prints the join result, Alice Smith.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe.